Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on the Steam Deck, and this will affect your Steam account. So just on the home screen here, use the thumbstick and go up to your little picture icon, or you can just tap it right here in the top right. And then you can see your name. I'm online, but we want to go to View Profile, tap this. Now under here, you can see the profile picture, the name, whatever. But let's go to Edit Profile. And then we can go on down, and here's the profile name. So you can just type into here, the keyboard will open up, you scroll up a little bit more, and then you can press the back button to delete and name whatever you want your profile to be, and then you get your real name, custom URL, and stuff right there. So once you change it, it should take effect, and it should change right here. So mine still says the same thing, but hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you want to check out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.